So I'm going to try to answer all the questions with a video, and maybe I send you a video once a day if there are too many questions, so all of you can see the video and in 2 minutes get informed in case that I wasn't clear in something. This is one of the questions that I received. What I'm supposed to prepare for tomorrow for the lab on the online lab. So in this lab there is no summaries. The only thing that you have to go is to do is to open this file and here watch this video and later go into this website, download this thing. Here are the questions that you have to answer, and most of the information is explained here. And later upload a file here. Here I have the due dates, and here I went into a lot of detailing in case that you want to watch it. You can watch it, and later there's a step that can be a little bit more difficult. I also create a video for that. That is the part where you have to do the blast. This is another question. Is this lab happening at the same time or what regular it does? So right now we don't have a limitation that we need to do the lab at the same time. You can do it at any time. You just have to go to the website. However, I will be available to answer questions during your time. I can answer questions at another time, but at that time I will be. If you send me an email, we can have very fast a video call. In other times, I might be in class or I might be doing something else. At this time, if you have any question, you can just go online, try to watch all the videos, and if you cannot, if you still can have a problem, you can just send me an email, and you can go on in Zoom, and I can answer the question that you have. Are we supposed to meet on Zoom at the same time? So, for example, some people in the group too, they are supposed to meet at 6 uh, or work through the online lab together. There is no need. So no, there is no need. You can do it at any time. There is no need that I tell you, let's start the lab right now. No, you can watch it. I recommend to do it in this time, just so you don't postpone it for a long time. But if you want to start right now, you can start right now. I already set the due dates there, so you can see when you have to hand it in, and I just recommend you to do it early, just so you are not stressed later, and in case that there is any doubt. Here are two more questions, and this one is related to the summaries for the photosynthesis. If you already handed in, it's okay. However, if you didn't hand it in, there is no need yet. So I already grade. Some people send me this. If you didn't hand it in, there is no need yet. We will see how things are happening. So I said need to be rescheduled again, and I said here might need to be rescheduled. So don't worry about that. About this one, the question of the lab manual, I just wrote need to be rescheduled again, need to reschedule again. So there is still based on how the situation evolves. We will see if we can do this lab in person or not, and I will give you more than a week, the normal 2 weeks to finish the question of the lab assignment. Here they are asking me about when I give you the data. How long are we going to have to write this or the photosynthesis or the questions? As I said, we will reschedule and I will give you again 2 weeks to do it. And here, this deadline, December 13, it will still be there. I don't think that I will change it yet. And I will give you the data. If we cannot have in-person lab, I will give you between around November 22. I will give you the data, and I will create a video explaining what were you supposed to do during the lab, and how you are supposed to analyze that data in your group of 3 or 4 people. if you have more questions, just let me know, and hopefully this was clear. If not, send me more emails, and again, I will answer most of the questions. I will create a small video to answer all these questions. Have a good day. Bye.